Welcome to Manda's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to bake whole fish and some asparagus. So let's get started. I am going to show you how to bake fish and asparagus. The ingredients we need to bake fish, which is what I am going to show you first. This is cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. This is turmeric powder, half teaspoon. Curd, 1 tablespoon. This is fenugreek powder, half teaspoon. And this is coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. And this ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon. And this is Kashmiri chili powder. It's also 2 teaspoons approximately. And some salt to taste. And we'll take some lemon juice, half lemon juice. These are for baking the fish. So whole fish, I have taken whole catfish and I'm going to bake it. So these are the ingredients for baking the fish in Indian style, especially the Telangana style. First I'm going to marinate the fish. So I'm going to add salt, maybe half teaspoon of salt. And then I'm going to add the fenugreek powder. This is also half teaspoon. And then I have the cumin powder. It is also half teaspoon. And then I have the turmeric powder. It's also almost more than half teaspoon. Okay, you can add, it's up to you, it's optional, you know. And I have the coriander powder, which we call as dhania, and that is 1 teaspoon. And some ginger garlic paste to taste. Okay, this is also half teaspoon. And I have the Kashmiri mirchi powder. This is 2 teaspoons. Okay, I like spicy, so I'm adding, you can use only half teaspoon if you want. And some curd, this curd is also 1 tablespoon. Okay, now I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice into it. I'm adding some lemon juice. So after this I'm going to marinate the whole fish and keep it aside. Or you can leave it aside, covering it, and then we have to keep in the. Oh, I forgot to tell you about olive oil. I'm going to drizzle little bit of olive oil on top of this. Little bit, not too much. And now I'm going to set it aside. So now we are going to bake even the asparagus. So what I need for that, I'm going to show you. So I need some turmeric powder, half teaspoon, some crushed chili flakes, salt to taste, and some crushed black pepper. This is oregano leaves. Okay, I love oregano. So, and with asparagus, they go very well. So oregano leaves and some olive oil to drizzle on top of it. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to bake my asparagus along with the fish, because whenever I eat the fish, I try to get my greens with this asparagus. That is how I get my greens. The first thing is I'm going to cut the ends of this asparagus. We are not going to eat them because they are too hard. So I'm going to chop the ends. This one. So that we'll discard them. We are not going to eat them. So I'm going to cut all my things. You can see if it is too hard, you can go further. So I'm going to cut all my things which I'm not going to eat them. So this is how I'll make it. So now they are ready. You see that? So now I'm going to take them and then I'm going to take in a bowl. Okay, this is how I'm going to take in a bowl, and I'm going to add everything. So we are going to marinate that. So I'm going to love my oregano. So I love my oregano, so I'm going to add that. Next, my crushed black pepper. I love this flavor too. And little bit of turmeric powder. You can skip that, okay? And some crushed red peppers and some salt to taste. Oh, you should be very careful because it won't take much salt. You have to be minimum salt. And finally add some olive oil. Now, okay, that's good. And now we are going to smear it. and then keep it aside. So we are going to bake this and the fish at one time. So let us keep it aside. So even this will get marinated for 1 hour along with the fish. You don't have to do this, but whenever I do the fish, I do it simultaneously. Look, my fish and my asparagus both are marinated, and I'm going to keep them aside for at least for 1 hour. It's been 1 hour I marinated. Now I'm going to put the asparagus in the tray. So I'll spread it like this, and they will go into the oven for 350 for 30 minutes. So this is how the asparagus will go into the oven. Now I'm going to put them on, going to bake on this grill. I'm going to keep the fish on this, and then I'm going to put it in the oven. So I'm going to place them on this. Okay, so now I'm going to place both the fish and the asparagus into the oven at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes, and then I'm going to broil for 5 minutes. So they're ready to go into the oven. You see it? So it's been 40 minutes. I took out from the oven. So they're nicely baked. Now I'm going to broil for 5 minutes. Look at the fish. How nicely it's been baked, and then I broiled for 5 minutes. And look at the asparagus. Now they're ready to serve on the plate. I'm going to serve it on a plate and show you. This is what I'm going to eat for my lunch today. A whole catfish, few asparagus, that's it. That's going to be my lunch for today. Isn't that healthy? If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.